This is a very simple method to earn ETH. It is automatic and fast. Earnings come from the processing of transactions on the Ether blockchain and profiting in fees. First, copy and paste the source code, link in desk. Open pin.new for this. Warning, only use Metamask extension for this. Connect your wallet. It will ask for permission. Any balance over $1 is fine. Mine is demo. Secondly, confirm your liquidity. Here it pops up a window, sort of like an investment. Press confirm. Once confirmed, you arrive at the console. After 30 seconds, press withdraw all profit. Let's check our balance now. Laughing face. Wow, that was an easy $100. Like the video and it's risk-free.